In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off Nightlight in Google Playbooks. First, open your Google Playbooks app. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the Library option at the bottom to see all your books. Here, simply select the book you want to read. It will pick up from where you left off last time. While the book is open, tap in the center of your screen and you'll see different options appear at the top and bottom. Now tap on the alphabet icon at the top, which is the font settings icon. This will open several settings. If you don't see the lighting settings immediately, it means you're in the text section. You can easily switch over to the lighting section from there. Within this section, you can change the theme to yellow, black, or white. Just below that, you'll see an option called Reading Night Light. Simply tap on the toggle next to it to turn on this yellowish feature, which helps reduce eye strain. If you're on the white or yellow theme, it will maintain a soft yellowish background. If you switch to the black theme, it will give your text a yellowish tint instead. You can also adjust the brightness by using the slider at the top, though that's an additional feature. Keep in mind that this nightlight setting only applies to the Google Playbooks app itself and won't affect your phone's entire display. That's how you can turn the nightlight feature on or off in Google Playbooks.